Hello. Today we're going to explore the difference between mass and weight. These two terms are often used in the same way, but they actually represent very different things. Mass is a measure of how much matter an object contains. It's a fundamental property of an object and does not change no matter where the object is located. Weight, on the other hand, is the force of gravity acting on an object. It's a measure of how strongly gravity pulls on an object. While mass and weight are different, they are related. The more mass an object has, the greater its weight will be. However, it's important to remember that weight can change depending upon the strength of gravity, while mass remains constant. Let's look at an example. On Earth, an astronaut has a certain weight due to Earth's gravity. However, in space where there is little to no gravity, the astronaut would be weightless even though their mass remains the same. The strength of gravity varies depending upon the mass of the celestial body. For example, Earth has a stronger gravitational pull than the Moon because the mass of Earth is about 6 times greater than the mass of the Moon. This means that an object on the Moon would weigh less than the same object on Earth, even though the mass remains the same in both locations. Remember, mass is a measure of how much matter an object contains, while weight is the force of gravity acting on that object. Mass remains constant, while weight can change depending upon the strength of gravity. Understanding the difference between mass and weight is crucial for understanding how objects behave in different environments, from the surface of Earth to the vast expanse of space. Thank you for watching.